All right, this is lab 9-3. I went ahead and typed in this information already just to make it quicker. So what I did is just I opened up a new workbook, and then I went to the data tab on the ribbon, and I went to get data from SQL Server database. And then from there, I typed this information from the book, and the we're ready to go and hit OK. Think we just have to hit OK on another pop-up screen. Okay, I think we're already signed in, so here's the data we want, so let's go ahead and load it. So here, as this loads up, the number of rows we need is 986, and so that's what we have. We're gonna go ahead and add a column that says state. Oh no, not sales, state text. Great, and then state text load. Now we're gonna open up the state sales tax documents, state sales tax. Select all of this except the last row. Control C. Head back to the worksheet we were on before, and then just Control V there. We had to format this as a table. Boom. Make my table has headers. Okay. That's good. Now we want to do a VLOOKUP on column E. So we're going to hit equals VLOOKUP. And then we need state. And then table array. It's going to be table 2. Let me try typing it in. I just want to see if that works. Table 2. Yep, there we go. And then the column we want is 2. And we want an exact match, so we're gonna put in false. Oh, I put in true. That is false. Okay, well, there you go. And then close this off, enter. Now the next thing we're gonna do is in state tax owed, we're gonna do an equation, and we're gonna start off with the round. And then we need the sales amount times sales tax rate. So number of digits, 0, and then hit enter. And then now we need a pivot table. So we're gonna head to the insert tab and then select pivot table. And so I think we have what we need. And we want this in the new worksheet. and we're not adding this data to the data model, so we're just gonna go ahead and hit OK. And now that we have our pivot table fields, we want to make this smaller so I can see. Yeah, there you go. And I can close this one off as well. So we need state and drop it off in rows, and then grab year and drop it off in columns. And then we need state tax owed and drop it into value. And it's already sum of state tax owed is what we want. So now from here, for our analysis, we want to focus on 2014 and 2015. And so here, we're going to go to our filters and then select 2016 because we don't need that one. And so the next thing we want to do is get rid of this grand total. So we can do that by going to design, grand totals, and we select all for rows and columns, and boom, it's gone. So now we need to click into the table, which we were already on. So now I think we want to insert some spark lines. So just trying to figure out where to select. And I'll click out of here. I guess it doesn't matter. So we're gonna go to line for our data range. We want that. Location range, D5 is fine. Hit OK. Maybe if I autofill this all the way down. And now we have our spark lines. So with these spark lines, we can now see the direction of state tax owed from 2014 and 2015. And so that just kind of tells us if our taxes are going up or going down. So yeah, that wraps up lab 9-3.